Okay, so I came across that video a couple weeks ago and it looks so good. I've been dying to try it. So I'm gonna try to recreate it in our silicone sealer bag with the help of our silicone baking mat. Let's see if this works. We're gonna start with air frying the chickpeas. Okay, I think they're ready to be roasted now. I ended up only using half of the can of chickpeas, so I just put the silicone lid on it. I'm gonna be honest, some of them look a little burnt, but it's okay. I'm gonna stay positive because honestly, anything that involves chocolate tastes good to me, so. Okay, now this part is really exciting to me. I have vegan chocolate chips in my sealer bag. I'm gonna melt the chocolate in here. I'm gonna leave a bit of an opening. Guys, the chocolate melted in the microwave. I'm trying to figure out the most effective way to do this. Just mixing it around. Here is the bark while it's melted. I'm gonna lay it in the freezer. I'll check back in with you guys in 30 minutes. I literally can't wait. It's completely frozen now. I'm gonna try to break it as much as I can in the bag. It looks so good. This looks beautiful. Oh my god, it's so good.